it's Gina with WTI. If you're looking for the perfect finishing touch trim, then I recommend checking out this flexible peel and stick crown molding from LaRolls. We got the 1.3 inches in a 16-foot length. Before applying, I did wipe down the area with some rubbing alcohol to make sure that it was free of debris and oil that could keep it from sticking. As recommended by the manufacturer, I did heat up the tape with a hairdryer before applying it to the walls. That worked really well to help it to unfold a little bit, make it more flexible so that I could stick it onto the walls. And then that does help with adhering it as well. Overall, I'm so pleased with how well it adhered to the wall. It's not going anywhere. I just love the way the trim looks. I was afraid it might be too shiny, but actually it looks really good in the bathroom. And although this is paintable, I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Even when I knock things against it, it doesn't get nicked or chipped, so I know that this is going to be long lasting. We are so pleased with the way that this has completed the look in our bathroom. There's many other ways that you could apply it around the house too, and that's our point of view.